it's Miss Amber. I'm a Youth Services Librarian at the Grundy Library. And today for our STEAM challenge, we're going to be using paper towel tubes to make a planter. So you'll need at least one paper towel tube. You're going to need some seeds. I'm going to be using tomato seeds, but you can use whatever kind you'd like. And then also you're going to need some scissors and some dirt. And once we make our planter, you can water your seeds and place it in a sunny spot, and you can watch it grow. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do for this experiment is take your paper towel tube and you're going to cut it in half. Once you have your paper towel tube cut in half, you're going to take one end and fold it over and crease it, and then fold it over and crease it the other way. So it kind of makes a square. Then you're going to take your scissors and carefully cut about an inch on each of your crease lines. So there should be 4 cuts. Then you're going to carefully fold over each flap, creating the bottom of your plant container. You can do a box fold or you can take a piece of tape to secure it. Once you have your container made, you're going to fill it with dirt, and I'm just filling it most of the way. And then you're going to take your seeds. Today I'm going to use some tomato seeds. And I'm just taking a small amount of seeds, maybe 3 or 4. And I'm just going to set them on top of the soil. And then once you do that, you can just take a little bit of extra soil and sprinkle it on top of the seeds. All right, now your planter is complete. I hope you guys had fun making a planter today, and I'll see you at our next STEAM challenge. Have a great week. Bye!